Yo, hello, how's it going, folks? It's me, your boy Tabo, and welcome to another episode of Coding for Superheroes. So today I just want to give a little update. So to the people that requested that I create a tutorial based on the web dev log that I did, yeah, this is about that. I said I'm gonna create it and I will, but from now on I'm not gonna do stuff like that because it actually doesn't make sense for me to create a tutorial on a project that I'm currently working on, because the time that I'm actually putting into creating the tutorial is the time that I could actually be using to actually finish the project. And because my process, I don't know how other developers do it, but my work is pretty rough. So I just code everything roughly. So when I create a tutorial, then it's kind of difficult because I have like all of this like a rough code. Sometimes it's spaghetti code, like the code is not all that dry because I'm just kind of patching it as I go, because I'm kind of putting a concept together. It's like a prototype phase. So everything is rough. So when I have to create a tutorial on that, then it's kind of a bit annoying, because then I have to do a lot of cleanup work. And like I said, at the end of the day, it takes a lot of time. So I just want to say, just from now on, just know I'm not gonna do any tutorials on like a project that I'm working on. Only if I'm finished with it. When I'm finished with the project, then I can create a tutorial and show you. And that depends on whether or not it's something that I wanna make public or not. And the other thing is that yes, summer is like slowly creeping in. Well, spring, but doesn't really matter out here. It's pretty warm. When it's warm, it's really nice. So I have not done any videos of just being outside and enjoying man, life. You know what I mean? Yes, there's life to be lived as well. So there's that side. Show you around. Share my beautiful city with you guys. That's also something that I enjoy doing. So yeah, I'm gonna do that also, when the time is right, when I have free time. Well, yeah, I'm gonna do it. Doesn't matter. And the other thing is that yes, I wanted to create a tutorial also on how the matrix system works in Threejs, right? I remember I had a problem with basically figuring out how to like get the forward position, right? Like how to actually get an object to move in the forward position. It was a bit tricky because look, man, when it comes to webgl, it's you've got to know a lot of math. And if you're not familiar with a lot of maths concept when it comes to like basically transformations and like your linear algebra, then it's a bit tricky. So I had to figure it out. I even like posted on the Threejs forum, and I'm kind of annoyed because even till this day nobody answered. So eventually I figured it out. So I thought, okay, this is something cool. I can create a tutorial on this to show you guys how to do it. You know what I mean? I figured it out, so why not? And also just to kind of explain what the possibilities of it mean, because then you can create once you know how to do it, let's just say once you know how to do it, then you can create any object that can follow a certain path, and you can also like shoot projectiles and things like that. But if you don't know how to actually get the forward position of any object, then if you want to shoot projectiles in a particular direction, then you're not going to know how to do it. So you need to know how that works. So that's something that I wanted to do. So you can let me know if you're actually interested in that, so I can show you. It's going to be quite simple. I mean, I have a lot of ideas and concepts of how I wanted to bring that about, like even creating maybe a simple game, because at the end of the day, my original intent with this channel was to actually create games, you know what I mean? But I must say, so far it takes a lot of time. I have not managed to be able to kind of bring that across because I'm also kind of learning Threejs as I go. And so whatever it is that I'm doing, I just do it and then share it with you guys. That's pretty much my process. But other than that, yeah, this is just a short update. I don't know if it was short, but I just wanted to let you know. So I will create that tutorial on the web devlog. I think it was 7 that I created, just to kind of fulfill my promise. But I must say, it's never going to happen again. I'm not going to create tutorials on projects that I'm currently working on because it's not really time efficient and doesn't make sense, right? Let me just put it that way. So with all that said, love and peace. I look forward to the next one. So yeah, take care. It's all good. Love and peace once again.